everyone, good morning. This is take 2 of the video, unfortunately, and pardon me about that as well. So what I'll just be talking about briefly is just the health status of my portfolio. As you can see, I've just minimized down the screen just to sort of capture the essentials and to keep it a little bit neat and tidy, a little bit more neat and tidy. So again, I haven't kept I've kept everything in the portfolio with no changes. We did see a lift in Tesla, Apple. The higher quality names in the portfolio are looking pretty good. I still have some, really TAN and PBW I would have liked to see pick up a little bit more as well. So I've got PBW and TAN here. Again, entries were pretty high. This would have been early January, maybe even late in December for PBW and TAN, the entries here, and then ARKK and ARKG were positions that I got into mid to late. I think it was the 20th of January this year, 2021 is when I got into these two. So this is the order of entry pretty much from around September. So I'm not day trading the US market, but some of these positions, I am closely monitoring. TTCF, again, entry was quite late. I mean, it's closing around 18 on yesterday's session. It closed this morning for me in Perth. And then GNOG as well was around 17, maybe even a little bit lower. So we'll see what happens. This week was, I guess, turbulent would be a good way to describe it, with Joe Biden's release of the plan to raise capital gains tax to 42%. Now that was revised last night, and that was favorable for the market, and it was, you could see that it really did push quite high, nearly to all-time highs in the S&P and Dow Jones. NASDAQ not as strong, but I guess the situation with NASDAQ is that there's some growth stocks there that are a little more speculative. But this is the portfolio, guys. In regards to what I'm looking at getting into, there's Microsoft, potentially Domino's, Disney. Those are the three that I'm looking into. Again, there's also one more, AT&T. T is the ticker code, but I guess I'm going to have to make some tough decisions. But I'd love to see a rise next week, and then I'd be looking to exit out of TTCF first of all, and then probably GNOG as well. Everything else I'm okay with. The ETFs are a longer term, especially TAN and PPW, ARKK, ARKG, longer term as well. But it seems to be that there's been a few recent headwinds with inflationary pressures. The 10-year bond yield seems to have, tested the 1.75, has come back down to below 1.6, so that's good for now. So hopefully that just stays down there, and people see that, I guess, inflation pressures are not as high as market anticipates. And that is the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.